welcome back to another video. Before we get today's video started, I just want to give a huge shout out to those who just subscribed. Within the last week and a half, we've gotten about 10 more subscribers. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support. I've got a few comments of somebody who's wanting to see more content on the Corvette. So thank you. So before we get this video started, do me a huge favor. Please go ahead and subscribe now. Hit the like button. And comment down below on how the vlogs are coming along so far. Like I said, I can use your guys' feedback to better myself and to make sure that I'm giving you guys good content that you guys want to watch. So today's video, I'm finally gonna go ahead and let you guys know that we did get the Corvette running. You remember when I first got the car, the thing did not want to go into gear. The axles or nothing were spinning, so I went ahead and changed the transmission. If you guys want to see that, go ahead and check out the other videos before this one. Check them out. Like those videos. And we're gonna get today's video started. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys on a little drive, show you that it runs and it's working, and then hopefully I can probably try to get some cinematics going. Don't really know how to do it that well, so figured I'd give it a try. And practice makes perfect. So let's go ahead, get this thing started, and get this thing on the road and show you guys that it's running pretty good so far. A little TLC here and there that I gotta fix up. I've also went ahead and just upgraded the lighting in here from stock. Also, one thing I wanted to show you guys, check this thing out. I think it's pretty cool that it still has this in this car, but check this out. Hold on. So here we have the manual for the Corvette. So I think this is pretty cool, but we haven't got to that part, the cool part yet. But what is this? Like a 22-year-old car, still has its manual. Man, that's pretty cool. But the cool part, the really cool, interesting part I wanted to show you was this. This is really cool right here. This right here. Hold on, let me unfold this for you guys so I can show you. This is the sales tag, the original sales tag for when the car was first new on the lot, ready to sell. Vehicle price $39,000. All the little stuff it came with, and then the total vehicle price $43,959. That is crazy. Imagine what, 99? Yeah, this car probably came out in 99. 43 grand. That's a lot of money. That's like today's freaking C7s, basically C8s back then. I don't know, but this is the car. Everything it came with. I'm not gonna show you the VIN, but it does match the VIN. Also, the exterior is magnetic red, and then the gray interior, of course. 5.7 4-speed. I think this is pretty cool that this still has it. There's one thing too about the Corvettes. I've seen, I forget what it is. I think it's like the manufacturer date or build, whatever. You can usually find it in the front bumper and the bumper guard. So that should still be there. Hopefully, maybe one day I'll take the front bumper off, and then we can go ahead and check that out and see if that thing is also there. But I thought this was pretty cool. This is like a gem. I mean, 22 years later, and this thing is still in the car. That is pretty cool. Cars and driving, we're going. Excuse the glare, it's from the sun. And the check engine light is because we do have long tubes and X pipe on here, so excuse the check engine light. But we're moving. This thing did not move at all when we first got the car. Nothing. When it stopped putting in gear, it would not move or anything. So I'm happy to get this thing back and running again. I only got the transmission for like $600, and I'm glad that was the only issue that was wrong with this car. So I think we got a pretty good deal, and I'm glad that I was able to do it myself and get the thing running. But shoot, we're going. This thing's moving. The AC heater, everything works in this car as well. Like I said, just a little TLC I gotta do. Rear tires for sure I need. I want to build up the rear end a little bit, but we are moving. Check that out. Alright guys, so this is our little location where I'm gonna try and put together a cinematic, but it's just right here down the street from my house. It's a little dead end. We got some of the warehouses over here, and then this whole thing of fields. I think this location's pretty cool. Cool little spot. You know, we can implement some of this into the cinematic, so see what we can do. Let me try to get this thing. Hopefully it comes out pretty decent. Like I said, I'm new, so please forgive me if it doesn't come out all right, but I'm gonna try to do my best. But if you guys tune in today's video, thank you guys so much. I just wanted to, you know, update you guys on the Corvette and show you that it is running and we figured out the problem, so I'm thankful for that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and then start the B-roll and get this thing going. And then as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.